This is my favorite way to cook salmon. It looks elegant, vibrantly colored, and I don't even need to mention how tasty and healthy this dish is. To a baking dish, add a bit of olive oil and white wine. Cut tomatoes into circles and put to the bottom of the dish. Add some salt and put salmon steaks on the top. Take butter home temperature and add marjoram and thyme. Mix it well and grease salmon with this butter. Also add some salt and pepper. And sprinkle with lemon juice. In a separate bowl, mix breadcrumbs with Parmesan. And sprinkle salmon with this mixture. And bake it for about 30 minutes. In order to prepare mashed peas, add frozen peas to a boiling water and cook for about 2 minutes. Remove peas from the water, sprinkle with lemon juice, add some crème fraîche, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And puree until smooth and thick. Enjoy! Buon appétit!